I had a customer recently say, hey, you know what I would love? I would love if I could record all my Zoom meetings straight to OneDrive or SharePoint. You can totally do that. You can set up Zoom to record straight to OneDrive or straight to SharePoint. If you have some sort of security or compliance reason where you don't want to store meetings locally in your computer, or you don't maybe want to store them in the Zoom cloud, maybe you're a Microsoft customer and you want all meetings stored in OneDrive or SharePoint, we can totally set that up inside of Zoom. So obviously I'm in the middle of a Zoom meeting and you can set up Zoom meeting policies to automatically record every meeting. But right now I'm just going to show you how I'm going to record this meeting locally to my machine, but really it's not on my machine. It's actually in OneDrive. So I come down here and hit record. Now here I have several choices. One is record to the cloud with Revenue Accelerator. This is not what the customer wanted. This one's record to the Zoom cloud. Again, not what the customer wanted. The customer wanted to record it directly to OneDrive or SharePoint. So we're going to go record to this computer, but we're actually not going to record to the computer.
Recording in progress.
So I've started the recording on this meeting. So now let's go look at how I set this up in my Zoom client to record directly to OneDrive. So go to your Zoom client and then go up here to your little avatar and click on that and then go to settings. Now on the left side, all the tabs of the features that are in your Zoom client. Go to recordings. So Zoom's going to ask you, where do you want these local recordings to be stored? We're going to change it to our OneDrive account. So go over here, hit change. And on the left side, you're going to see where I've actually had a location of my OneDrive account for my Zoom and Air sandbox. Click on that. And on the right side, you see a meetings folder I've set up. So I'm going to click that meetings folder. And the last step I showed you, I hit record on the Zoom meeting. This is the meeting that I'm recording right from that Zoom meeting. So now every time I host a meeting in the future, every time I record it, it's going to go right into my OneDrive account. So after the Zoom meeting is over, it's actually going to convert that meeting recording into files that are going to be stored in OneDrive. So let's go back and look and see what it created. So on the left side, we're going to go back into my Zoom and Air OneDrive account, and we're going to go to the meetings folder where we recorded those meetings. Now we're going to see a folder for every meeting that I recorded. In this example, I recorded 2. So let's open up one of them and see what's inside. Basically, what we've done is we've recorded a whole bunch of different things, audio tracks as well as MP4 tracks. So I could just double click on this M4A file and it's going to open up just the audio portion of this meeting. Should I just need an audio? Maybe you're recording a podcast and that's all you need. You have it right there. I also have this MP4 file, which is the video portion of the recording. And I can open it up and it's going to open up the meeting. And you can see that I have the whole meeting right here recorded. And all this is stored directly in OneDrive. So if I go to any computer or any mobile device that I have OneDrive installed, I have full access to all my Zoom meetings now. And again, if you're a Microsoft customer and you want everything stored on a Microsoft file repository like a SharePoint or a OneDrive, this could easily be set up with Zoom local recordings. That was a quick one. I got to get back to work. It's Monday after a 3-day holiday. Hope you had a great 4th of July. I'm Patrick Kelly, the Tattooed Nerd.